So this question drop duplicate rules. So you want to get rid of the duplicate rules, and then based on the email column. So yeah, keep the first one occurrence. So if you actually know the pandas, there's a method called drop duplicate, and then you can have a argument in there. So the subject has to be email. We're looking at the duplicate rules on the email, which we keep the first one, so we don't remove everything, and then we want to update the data frame. So you say in place equal to true, and then when you want to return the customers. So this will be the solution. All right, see you later, bye.